Aight. Let's talk about your favorite villains in suits. Banks. 'Cause everybody trusts them, but barely anybody understands how they really make money. Spoiler alert. They use your money to get rich. When you drop cash in your savings account, you think it's just chillin' there waiting for you. Nah, they out here flipping your deposit like it's the block. Here's the play. You deposit $1,000. Bank keeps a little piece, maybe $100, and loans out the rest to somebody else. That's called fractional reserve banking. They only got to keep a small slice in the vault. The rest, out working. They loan it for credit cards, mortgages, car loans, business loans, and charge crazy interest. So while your savings making 0.5%, they out here collecting 15%, 20%, sometimes 30%. That's the spread. That's the game. And get this, when that other person deposits their loan money into a different account, the bank counts that as another deposit. So the same $1,000 gets multiplied across the system like a remix. Everybody think they got money in the bank, but really, it's the same dollars running laps. That's why if everybody tried to pull out cash at once, it'd look like a Black Friday sale gone wrong. That's a bank run, and that's why they be nervous when people start asking too many questions. So what's the takeaway? Don't get mad, get mindful. You can play the same game. How? Put your money in high-yield savings, CDs, or investments that pay you back. Because the bank's not paying you for holding, they paying you crumbs while they eat steaks. And if you got debt, you basically loaning them extra profit. They use your payments to fund new loans for somebody else. It's a full-circle hustle. You just on the wrong end if you ain't paying attention. So next time you walk into a bank feeling broke, remember, you the product, not the customer. Your money's out there working, just not for you. But that can change. Start moving your funds where they earn real returns. Get accounts that pay you interest worth talking about. And stop letting the bank treat your paycheck like it's their investment plan. 'Cause they've been flipping your money for decades. It's time you start flipping it for yourself.